Question 19. Graph the inequality y is greater or equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so according to y equals mx plus b, b is the y-intercept, which in this case is 3, and the slope is 2. So we go over 1 up 2, all the way through. So this is what the line would look like. Okay. So now, but we're looking at an inequality, right? So I want to highlight the area above the line. And why is that? Because we have y equals is greater or equal to 2x plus 3. So we're going to shade the region above the line. Didn't mean to do that. Let's see if that works. There we go. So that's it. And what does this mean? Well, if we pick any point in this area and we plug the coordinates in for x and y, this would be true. Okay, now how about question 20? Graph the inequality y is smaller than negative 3x minus 1. So again, we have a y-intercept of negative 1 because of y equals mx plus b. Of course, I'm pretending for a second that this is an equality. Why is that? Just so that I can figure out what the line looks like. So the y-intercept is negative 1, and the slope is negative 3 because of y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept, m is the slope. So that is our y-intercept of negative 1. And the slope of negative 3, we go over 1, down 3. Over 1, down 3, all the way through. So now let me just connect the dots. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, so I want to shade the region. Let me just actually make it quick. There we go. Now let's shade the region below the line. And why is that? Because y is smaller than negative 3x minus 1. And again, didn't mean to do that. Let's see if that works. Not yet. Okay, there we go. Y is smaller than negative 3x minus 1. But one very important detail in this case. We can't have a solid line here because y is just smaller than negative 3x minus 1. Not smaller or equal to it. So what shall I do? Well, we need to draw a broken line instead. Like that. Of course, maybe I shouldn't have drawn a solid line in the first place. That would have been easier. But for my software, that's a little bit easier. But as long as you know that we need to draw a broken line when we have y is smaller than negative 3x minus 1 without the equal. And what does that mean? Well, it means that any point on the line is not a part of the solution for this inequality. But anything below is fine. So that's it.